Hi everyone, I'm Zoe. Welcome to my video. In this video, I will introduce you our company's new product, the wheel remote controlled mower.
8 centimeters wide rubber wheels can protect your grassland perfectly. Special design wheels can work normally below 40-degree slopes. This is the remote control we used. It has a 200 meters long effective remote control distance. Put users in a safe mowing environment, away from snakes, spiders, insects and so on. This is the engine we used for this machine. It's a 9 HP strong power Lonson engine which adopts Euro 5 and EPA emission standards. It's very welcomed in EU and USA market. The frame is 4 millimeters thick, which is made of strong materials to make the machine much more stable. Under normal operation, the mower frame can be used for more than 5 years. This machine has a beautiful orange color, and customized color is available with MOQ of 10 sets. This remote control panel is designed quite clear and simple. Instruction labels are attached below each button. Very convenient to operate. Customized brand logo is also available here. This is the walking motor we used. They're installed beside each wheel of the machine. The walking motor we use is a well-known brand with super quality. Its simple structure, easy to use and maintain. The main feature of this wheeled bush trimmer is that the walking speed is very fast, can be up to 6 kilometers per hour. Mowing efficiency can be 0.4 acre per hour, about 1620/h, which greatly improves the mowing efficiency. Here are hardware parts we used. They adopt flange bolts, nuts, reinforced material with high hardness, effectively guarantee the chassis strength, performance stability and service life. This is the motor controller we used. It is installed inside here. What we used is a famous brand motor controller with high quality. Its special design, fast response, built-in chip, intelligent detection of current, heat generation, altogether can ensure stable use all year round. Hi there, welcome to our tutorial on how to use our awesome remote control lawn mower. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to get started, from charging the battery to mowing your lawn like a pro. Let's dive in. Here's the charging port, so you can plug it in and charge the battery fully before using the machine. Then you may plug in the power plug, which we unplugged it for safe transportation. To get started, turn on the power switch on the remote control, then turn on the power switch on the machine. Let's move this baby around now. Using the remote control, you can go forward, backward, left and right with ease. It's super simple. This lever controls the speed of the machine. You can switch between high and low speed depending on your mowing needs. Use this lever to set the cruise control. This is another cool feature which enables the machine to move at a constant speed until you cancel it. The cutting blade height of the wheel mower can be adjusted manually. Adjustment method. Remove the 6 screws on the inner side of the 4 wheels. After adjusting to the desired height, fix the screws on the wheels. Now let's start the engine for mowing. Push it to the front. Pull start the engine. Push it back to the middle. Now you can enjoy your mowing with the machine. After mowing, we need to stop the engine with the stop button on the control panel. Finally, to turn off the machine, switch off the power button on the machine itself, followed by the power switch on the remote control. And that's it.
If you have any questions, please contact us. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.